Good morning, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you just what you need to ditch OpenClaw. You can create your very first agent with Starchild, then connect it to your Telegram, and we'll do it all in a very short amount of time. That's a promise. Okay, first, you're going to need a Web3 wallet, connect that to your browser, and then you'll be able to click Create Workspace. We've done that here, we're in, and you can see we get $5 credits to play around with it first, get familiar with the platform. There's other tools, including the Workspace, which is where files are stored. If you're familiar with how OpenClaw stores files, this is a similar system, but that's a little bit more complicated for today's topic. We're just going to get right into typing. I want to connect to Telegram, and here you can select the LLM model you want to use. I'm going to use Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite because it's very easy on the credits, and I'm going to hit it. Alright, it's thinking now, it's understanding your query, and it's going to tell you along the lines of you need to go into your Telegram and access something called the Botfather. If you haven't heard of the Botfather, it's one of the most popular bots on Telegram. You just search for that, and when you get in here and press start, you're able to use the slash commands to create a new bot. Once you've created the bot, they'll ask you some simple questions like what do you want to name it, and after a while you'll have all that. It will give you a token which you will copy and paste back into Starchild. Of course I won't show you my token, but if you click in the bottom left corner here, you'll see this is where the Telegram bot window is. I've already done it. All you have to do is paste this in, gives you a 6-digit code, which you paste back into your Telegram bot, and you are done. Here we go, we have a new bot, and I can just say hello, and your agent will start talking back to you right away. And there we go. Hey, what's on your mind? It's already talking to you. Now, one last thing I want to show is if you do the slash commands, there's a lot of things you can do, but one is model. That allows you to switch which LLM you're talking to. Again, if you're just playing around, I highly recommend something like Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite. It's very, very cost effective as you get acquainted with your agent and figure out what you want to do. Now, if you jump back to Starchild, you'll actually see the session has now appeared in the session history. You can go in there and access the session from the web. But now you're connected everywhere you go. Mobile, web, different devices, whatever, anywhere you can log into Telegram that you can access your Starchild agent from. That's all I got for today. I'll come up with some better ideas for videos and maybe plan these things out, and we'll see you again soon.